moves on Infosys. We have another mid-cap company management joining us, Bajaj Electricals. Shekhar Bajaj, the Chairman and Managing Director of Bajaj Electricals, joins us. Thank you very much, Mr. Shekhar Bajaj. The sore point of the numbers are the margins, now dropping to 2.6%, and that's taken your profit down to lakhs. We haven't seen that kind of a number in a long time. Can you take us through what's troubling the margins and the bottom line?
If you go through our three segments, basically lighting, our profits are flat, our sale is up by 3.2%, our margins are up from 4.8% to 4.9%.
Mr. Bajaj?
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, go ahead.
Can I repeat?
No, we could hear you.
In case of lighting, our margins have gone up from 4.8 to 4.9%, and the growth is nominal 3.2%. In case of our consumer durable, our margins have improved by 0.8% from 8.4 to 9.2%, resulting in our profit going up from 32 crores to almost 40 crore, which is an improvement of almost 22%. What has really impacted us, though we've had a growth of 52% in sales from 1200 crores to 1800, from 120 crores to 180 crore, in spite of that, the profitability in the EPC business is substantially down. And the reasons is that, which I've been talking in the last few quarters, and I said that it will continue for a few more quarters, is that we are completing all old projects, and therefore the more the completion takes place, the bigger the impact takes place. So we are expecting next quarter and maybe another quarter, some more hits may come when we complete the project. But before end of this year, all our old contracts will be all completed and over, and whatever hits are required to be taken, we'll take in the next 2-3 quarters. And after that, next year will be all businesses which are with good order book. We've got our order book as on today of 920 crore against 680 crores that we did last year. We are looking at a sale of over 1000 crore in the current year. So a growth of almost 50% plus, and we've grown by 53%. July we've grown by another 90%. So I think the 50% growth level in EPC business is not a problem. Main thing is that we have to complete all the old projects, and that's why the faster we finish that and take the hit, the better it is.
How much more losses may you have to endure, Mr. Bajaj, on the EPC business?
I can't give you a number, because what happens is when you close a site and when you are handing over, there may be some LD clause, there may be some shortages, there may be other thing which claims may come, which at that time only you come to know. At this moment we may, like it's opening a car, when it comes for repairs, when you open the engine, then few more things keep coming. But that all new projects that we have taken, all new orders are at good margins, and we have got full control on that. The old one, when we are closing, 90% is completed. The last 10%, so sale is only say 100 out of 1000 crore, but the hit may be 50 crores, 40 crores also, because it's a 1000 crore project. So in a 100 crore project, it can be a very nominal amount it takes place. That's why I said second quarter, maybe partly in third quarter, most of these old thing will be over, and then all new orders which are going to be done are at positive. So next year we can be very clear that E&P will be making profits.
All right, Mr. Bajaj. Thank you very much for joining us with those details on your numbers. So Bajaj Electricals hoping to turn the corner in a couple of quarters, if not the next one itself. But no turning the corners for the sense.
MCX Stock Exchange, India's new stock exchange, presents Mid Cap Radar.